How to log in into Commerzbank online banking account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Commerzbank online banking account login. Well, different sites will be available to you, but head over to the very first one, My Online Banking. You can change the language by clicking on this icon. Tap on Accept All. You will be landing on the official page of Commerzbank. Click on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner, and then proceed to login. Now in this page, what you want to do is simply enter your login name or the user number, and then enter the PIN. Well, if you have forgotten your user number or the PIN, then you can simply head over to Forgotten Your Subscription Number and then recover it. Now once you have entered your user number and PIN, click on Login Now, and then you will be logged into your Commerzbank account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Commerzbank online banking account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.